who really did a fantastic job on the task force. You know, when we send out different sections of the guide, this man right here probably had some of the most intelligent, thoughtful ways to make this thing really develop and pop for our associates coming into the business. And I'd like to please welcome to the stage a good friend of mine and yours, Maurice Frumkin. Maurice, come on.
Woo! Yeah, Maurice!
Hello.
Good.
Is this working?
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to take a few minutes to talk about this resource kit, and honestly, this is so much more than a resource kit, because as Bob mentioned, you know, and as most everyone here in this room knows, belief level is huge in this business. So one of the huge differences between this and the resource kits that we've been using is that this is based so much on belief level. And we talk about belief level in the industry and the company and the product and the team and yourself. And this resource kit, I think it's more of a belief building kit. You know, we have our business building kit. This, to me, is a belief building kit. And what a better way to start out somebody in the business than by building their belief right from the get-go. And I have to just reiterate something that Bob said about, you know, us being involved in collaborating with the folks at corporate. I couldn't be more thrilled to do that. And it's just an incredible opportunity to be involved in a company where we have that opportunity. I don't know about any of you, but I work for the New York City Department of Ed, and I'm not going to go into it, but it's pretty rare that I'm asked to collaborate on something like this at my day job, so it's pretty amazing. So what this kit does is it absolutely gives you the resources you need to start off in the business, including things like your 24 to 48 hour checklist, your list of phone numbers, first things first, exactly what you need to get started in business, your list of phone numbers, websites, important, the new associate welcome phone number, the duplicate guide. Woo! Right off the bat, new associates will have the duplicate guide, and as you know, this is something that's ordinarily provided in the Business Builders Kit. Every new associate will get this right away. So, you know, I'm going to talk really briefly about really simple, duplicable steps that I recommend for using this thing with your new associates, and one of which is, as a current associate, adding to your 24 to 48 hour checklist, making sure that you know when your new associates are getting this. Because you want them to get involved in the Business Builder Kit and the duplicate system from the start. So the guide is right in here, you don't have to wait for it anymore. Then you've got a section on getting paid. Getting paid, everybody wants to know about the compensation plan, and when the rubber meets the road, how they're going to get paid. And, you know, a big part of the book is your belief levels. Like I said, industry, company, product, team, and self. So much of this book is dedicated to building those belief levels. And if you're anything like me, I think when I'm getting new associates started, I want them to be immersed in these belief levels right from the start. There are sections in this kit dedicated to each of those belief levels. So they're diving right into this and building their belief right from the start. You can see there are tabs for each of these sections. Each of the sections is removable. So it's terrific when you are putting on your checklist to meet with your new associate. The second step that I recommend, other than making sure you know when they get this, which should be a couple days after they become a new associate, is asking them to take 30 minutes when they get this, to go through this fairly quickly, mark down any questions that they might have, and then schedule time to spend at least 30 minutes to go through this with them, answer their questions, and go through these sections. And again, these are removable. So you can, if you're a current associate, you can take certain sections with you if you want to, put them in the customer reminder that Scott was mentioning, and have them handy at all times. So you're building your belief right from the start. So again, 3 steps that I would most recommend that are simple and duplicable are to put on your 24 to 48 hour checklist to make sure you are aware of when your new associate is getting this, and then to have your new associate, as soon as they get this, to review it, mark down any questions, to take about 30 minutes to get familiar with the sections, and then schedule time with them, face to face, sit down with them for at least 30 minutes, and go through this with them, section by section, and answer their questions. And I can tell you that getting one of these resource kits, and I think Bob's going to talk for another second about how to get these and when you'll have the ability to get these, is this is a huge investment in your business. So I highly recommend that every single person in this room gets one of these, because again, belief level is huge for this business and any business. And unless you're a new associate, is starting to build that belief level from the get-go, then you're doing yourself and you're doing them a disservice. So please invest in this, every one of you here. Thank you so much.